Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Pump prices will fall to a 12-month low tomorrow. Petrojam says it will cut the price of a litre of 87 and 90 gasoline by $2.98. The cut brings the price of both grades of the fuel to the lowest they have been since December last year. Automotive diesel is down by $1.04, while ultra-low sulfur diesel and kerosene will shave off $2.99 each. Propane will sell for $1.33 less tomorrow, while butane is down $1.31. And oil prices traded lower today. Oil for delivery in January went down by 7 cents to settle at $45.41 a barrel. NCB has sold its 30% stake in JMMB. The sale was announced by way of a release this evening. It says NCB gained more than $9 billion for the stake it had in JMMB, further boosting its cash position. With the sale price at $28.25 per share, NCB has made a gain of nearly $3 billion on its initial investment. Now, Scotiabank Jamaica is defending the government's National Identification System, NIDS, citing claims that the system will make banking operations easier for Jamaicans.
I fully support NIDS, and I encourage the government, the appropriate ministries and all government agencies to work assiduously to get NIDS implemented quickly. It's a huge undertaking, but NIDS has the potential to be transformational.
Mr. Noel says the new ID system will revolutionize banking, making it easier for Jamaicans to access loans and open accounts.
Card that every Jamaican will be entitled to and be able to get will be your passport to opening an account, establishing a relationship, developing a track record, and accessing loans from your financial institutions.
Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $128.73. The Canadian dollar closed the day at $95.73. The pound is being sold for $162.56, while the euro is selling for $144.68. Now, the JSE index lost 6,729 points today, while the junior market index went up by 12 points. Stocks posting gains include Burita Investments, Carib Cement, Honeybun, Indies Pharma, Jamaican Teas, Kingston Wharves, Lasco Distributors, and Mayberry Investments. Now, as we look on the losers, 1834 Investments, AMG Packaging and Paper, Blue Power, Carreras, Derrimon Trading, Everything Fresh, Fosrich, Grace Kennedy, and Jamaica Broilers. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.